Thank you for watching CTR TV. I'm Christy Olds with your 5 in 5. Get up to speed on 5 topics in 5 minutes. A new law went into effect last month that requires additional employers in the state to provide employees with sexual harassment prevention training prior to October 1st, 2020.
It used to be in Connecticut, all employers with 50 or more employees had to train their supervisors. Now it's all employers with 3 or more employees. So that's a substantial change here in Connecticut.
Attorney Peter Murphy from Shipman and Goodwin in Hartford specializes in human resource matters. Employers must now provide 2 hours of sexual harassment training to all employees, not just supervisors. Employers with 3 or fewer employees are only required to provide training to the supervisors. New employees hired after October 1st, 2019 must be trained within 6 months of their hire.
The training, once it's done, it doesn't have to be done again for another 10 years. However, we recommend, that you update your policies on a regular basis, and you might want to provide supplemental training more frequent than that.
Murphy says the requirement covers everyone classified as an employee, including full-time, part-time, and seasonal employees. It also covers all employment structures, including LLCs. Independent contractors are not employees and therefore not subject to employee requirements.
It's important for employers that do provide this training to keep certificates to show that their employers were trained on a certain date and that each employee was trained. And there's civil fines that can be imposed if you don't do the training by the dates.
There are several ways to meet the requirement, including a web-based training program which is being developed by the state. For more information on the sexual harassment training requirements, watch the full interview with Attorney Murphy at ctr.tv or go to ctrealtors.com/laws. A concert for recovery is less than a week away. The show, featuring Keith Urban, is Sunday, November 17th at Mohegan Sun Arena. Limited tickets are still available. Proceeds from the ticket sales will go to charitable organizations here in Connecticut working to fight the opioid crisis in our state. But CTR's awareness campaign does not end with the concert. Efforts to help break the stigma of opioid use disorder continue into the new year. You and your business could join our growing list of sponsors. Get more information at ctrecovers.com or email Allison at ctrealtors.com. The CT Realtors Foundation is looking to spread the word about its 4th annual Be Homeful for the Holidays campaign, which looks to end family homelessness in Connecticut. Paddington ambassadors from local boards recently visited some of the facilities helped by the campaign through the Connecticut Coalition to End Homelessness. The Paddington ambassadors are people who volunteered to be leaders in this campaign. They visited a shelter and a diversion center in New Britain and the State 211 hotline headquarters in order to get a better understanding of the programs.
Seeing a homeless shelter is extremely humbling, and really, understanding the basic level of shelter, what that really looks like. It's an experience that I think everyone should have to really understand how lucky we all are.
For every $25 donated to the Be Homeful campaign, the CT Realtors Foundation provides a stuffed Paddington bear, blankie, or book to children in homeless shelters during the holidays. All the money raised helps support programs and facilities working to end homelessness in Connecticut. To make a donation, go to ctrealtors-care.org. NAR CEO Bob Goldberg recently met with the new Secretary of the U.S. Labor Department as part of the association's efforts to gain access for realtors to association health plans. The Labor Department issued a rule that would allow for the expansion of AHPs, but it is being challenged in federal court. NAR political field rep for New England, Christian Hoysrath, says they're committed to this fight.
This will hopefully bring down health insurance costs for our membership, and that would be a huge win for our industry.
Arguments in the federal lawsuit are scheduled for this month, with a decision expected early next year. Realtors from across the country came together in San Francisco for the annual National Association of Realtors Conference and Expo. More than 70 Connecticut realtors, plus association and MLS staff, attended as well. The conference included NAR committee meetings, legal and regulatory updates, and the NAR Board of Directors meeting. Connecticut night out also included a trip to Alcatraz. That is your 5 and 5. I'm Christy Olds for CTR TV.